I was told to go tomorrow kanya kuyahanjwa kwendawo ethile. So I think we left around 7 late yabo.
Okay.
Came motoslanda again. Then accident enzeka apho. It was a two-way road, like coming abo eziyayo nezibuyayo. Then I think le moto le yasichayisayo ne and we were about I think around 9 inside
the car.
Yeah, cabe befuna overtake and asibona uba there's an incoming car yabo. That's when ya collide ya box spinner amavila bheka phezulu. It was horrible. And funny thing is azange faint only thing I saw the whole thing yabo. And bekunabantwana abancinci ababengikhula nabo yabo, like it was be family ngasho yabo. Then I think out of 9 survived, I think 2, me and my cousin.